Anna sat on the old wooden bench near the lake. The sun was going down. The sky was pink and orange. She held a small envelope in her hand. It had his name on it. Leo. Do I send it? She whispered. The wind didn't answer. 3 years ago, Anna and Leo met in a bookstore. He was reading a book she loved. You like this one too? She asked with a smile. Leo looked up, surprised. Yes, he said. I read it every year. They talked for an hour. Then they got coffee. Then dinner. Then they never stopped talking. They did small things together. Cooked pancakes on Sundays. Watched movies on the floor. Took walks without shoes. He always made her laugh. She always listened when he spoke. One day, Leo held her hand. Promise me something, he said. What is it? Anna asked. If we ever lose each other, let's find our way back. Always. Anna smiled. I promise. Then life changed. Leo got a job offer in another city, far away. I have to go, he said. But it's only for a year. Anna looked at him. Will we be okay? Leo nodded. I'll call every day. Write every week. He kissed her forehead. And just like that, he left. At first, the calls came. The letters too. But slowly, they stopped. 1 week passed. Then 2. Anna waited. No message. No reason. Her heart broke piece by piece. Now, 3 years later, she still thought of him. Still sat by the same lake. Still wondered why. Then, one morning, she got a letter. Dear Anna, I know it's been a long time, and I know I disappeared, but I never stopped thinking of you. I got sick, and I didn't want you to see me like that. I was scared, but now I'm better, and if there's still space for me in your heart, I'd like to meet you at our bench. Today, 6 p.m. I'll wait. Leo and Anna looked at the clock. It was 5:50 p.m. She put on her old coat, ran through the streets, heart beating fast. What if he wasn't there? What if he had changed? What if she had? At 6 p.m., she reached the lake. The bench was empty. She stood still, waited. A minute passed. Then 2. Suddenly, a soft voice behind her. Anna. She turned around. It was Leo. He looked older, but his eyes were the same. Tired, but full of light. She walked slowly to him. He opened his arms, and she fell into them. No words for a minute. Just 2 hearts beating. Together again. I'm so sorry, he whispered. I missed you every day, she said. He looked into her eyes. Can we start again? Anna nodded. Let's go home. They walked away, hand in hand. Let's learn some new words from the story, shall we? Whispered to speak in a soft, quiet voice. Promise. It means a strong decision to do something or not do something. Alone. It means with anyone else. Suddenly. It means quickly and without warning. Forever. It means for all time. Without end. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to learn English through stories. With Jennifer, we post new English stories every day to help you speak better and understand more. Join us again tomorrow.